this video, we're driven into the world of women who inspire me, her story, and her strength. Let's welcome our guest today, Miss Alexa Fiona A. Vidal. Hi, Miss Alexa.
Hi.
How's your feeling today?
Well, I am tired, but definitely life must go on.
Wow, seems like our guest today is ready for our question and answer portion. So here comes our first question. Can you tell us about yourself and what you do?
Well, I am a sophomore student at Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, taking Bachelor of Physical Education. I am a Sangguniang Kabataan Secretary of our barangay, which is Barangay Nimalimagliba. I am also interested at modeling. That's why I've been into pageantry since high school. But now that I am a college student, I stop and focus on my academics.
Wow! So now let's proceed to our next question. So Miss Alexa, what do you think is the greatest challenge women face today?
I think the greatest challenge that women face today is injustice or gender inequality. Because nowadays, people, specifically women, are still experiencing unequal opportunities when it comes to, of course, education as well as to job opportunities.
Question, have you experienced discrimination or unfair treatment as a woman?
Yes, I do experience discrimination, especially when I am still joining pageants. People are saying, siya na naman, nakakasawa, bakit hindi man lang siya mag-give way sa iba? But then, I take those criticisms as my motivation. I prove to them that I can. That's why I've been a title holder many times.
So for our next question, let's ask Miss Alexa for her achievement. So here's the question, Miss. What achievements are you most proud of?
I would say malayo pa pero malayo na. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao ay nakakausap. That's why for me, it is already an achievement to strive and to fight for life. And I am proud of those small steps, and I believe that progress is not just about having crowns or having medals, but it is about having the courage to keep moving forward.
Wow, you're such a brave woman.
Well, of course, I was raised by a brave woman also.
So now, let's proceed to our next question. What are your hopes for women in the future?
I hope that women in the future will be more powerful and courageous. Dahil sa panahong kinakaharap natin ngayon, I would say some are weak to fight for their rights as well as to fight for their freedom. That's why I would say that or I would hope that women in the future should be more powerful para hindi tayo tinatapak-tapakan lang ng sino man.
Well, I also hope for that, Miss Alexa.
Oh, definitely.
So for our next question, let's ask Miss Alexa for her advice to students like us.
Well, my advice to those students, please be brave enough. Be physically, mentally, and emotionally stable because depression is not a joke. Do not let this mental illness affect you because you are worthy. All of us are worthy for being in this world. Aside from that, believe in yourself. Do not compare yourself to others because you are different and you are unique in your own way.
Thank you for that wonderful advice, Miss Alexa.
You're welcome.
So for our next question, and I think this is the last question, Miss Alexa. How can society better support women?
I think society can better support women by, of course, promoting equality and by uplifting women's voices, by listening to their ideas, and of course, by listening to their stories.
Thank you for giving us your spare time as well as sharing your incredible journey as a brave and independent woman, Miss Alexa.
Thank you. I am also thrilled and honored for being here.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about Miss Alexa Fiona A. Vidal and her incredible journey. I hope her story encouraged you to reflect on the strong women in your life and to find inspiration in other experiences. Consider sharing this video to spread her message of strength and resilience, and remember you to have the power to inspire others. I am Shaila Rovelyn R. Balanon from 21 MFL 01.